I was sick and tired of everything.
And it's the wiggle now.
When I called you last night from
Glasgow.
Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of SITC, which is very exciting. Yeah, we had a lovely evening last night. Just kind of really chilled actually, and now we're feeling refreshed and looking great for today. I'm going to show you my outfit, and it's actually really sad because I'm going to use Becca's mirror, but Becca's like moved out. Look how echoey and empty this room is. This is so sad. Her sofa's gone. Her sofa was so comfortable. Obviously she's got a few more things to take, but yeah, so this is what I look like. I'm wearing my cute little Bershka two-piece because it's really cute, and yeah, so yeah, these two are from Bershka. I'm wearing some really dirty like fake white Converse from New Look, and yeah, just got the same earrings and necklace in. Hi. We're gonna head off in like a couple of minutes and hopefully have a nice time, and we're gonna do all the kind of activities today because we all look cute in our outfits.
carousel.
Oh, I need to pack my camera. I knew I was forgetting something. I need to take my big camera. So we are in the convention centre for day 2. It is, in fact, it's not that warm yet. There's a massive amount of people already. It's the queue for the McCloey stand. So we're just gonna hang around, look at stuff for a bit. We're gonna probably get some food in about an hour because we're already hungry. And yeah, we'll just see what the day does. So we're just about to go on the carousel. So cute. I'm gonna film on my nice camera because I've got my hey.
I literally just walked to ride. I was like, in this house we don't just walk, we walk to ride.
Yeah, we do. So yeah, we're gonna go on this, and I'm gonna get some nice footage on my nice camera.
Hi guys, and welcome to Becca's vlog, and that's all I've really got to say.
Oh my god, hi
Oh my god.
guys.
So yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and yeah, see you soon.
So we're currently in the line to get a free McCloey, but as I found out last year, this one does not like McCloey. So yeah, I'm assuming it's the same. Yeah, it's the same thing we did last year, where we had to like jump and take a picture. So, and then I'm off to the music panel in like half an hour because I want to see Carrie talk on it because she's like the only person that I'm sort of excited to see here at SITC. So hopefully that's going to be good. Thanks.
Yeah.
At least we're all actually you're not jumping.
Oh my god, for once.
I look great. So we've got our guitar picks again. What are the options again?
Chocolate and caramel.
Caramel, please. Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome to the music panel at SITC. Hello, I'm Dodie. I'm a musician. I write songs. I also talk a lot about my brain and things. My pronouns are she, her, and yes, that is me. I'm Carrie Hope Fletcher, pronouns hi. And I'm a musical theatre performer.
Yes, when you do a performance of a show, you know, it's like a 3-hour performance, and then at the end, everyone just claps because that's the polite thing to do. No one actually, you know, says, actually, you sang that note flat, or that should have been an F instead of a B. You know what I mean? Like, I would always encourage people to go to drama school if you have that option, but obviously it's stupidly expensive and you know, you can audition for like 3 years and not get in every year, and then you're sort of wasting time that you could be honing those skills anyway.
So we just came out of the music panel. What did you think? It was so good. I really liked it. Yeah, it was nice. It was cool. And it was cool to see Carrie up there. Bless her. She seemed so like humble. Like, yeah, she seems so good too. We're now going to try and find the others who were at Costa. So I'm assuming let's probably go there. Because we're both hungry as well, because we haven't eaten. So, and it's so cold in here. I can't believe how, like compared to last year, I was sweating. I've got goosebumps. So I don't know whether they've had more of a budget this year to get air conditioning. They must do, because it's actually I'm actually cold. So I can't remember if I already said this, but we're going to the bridge now to take pictures. At the moment because I just met, let me find the picture.
Just met me. Oh.
I just saw the Midnight Bees, right? And that was very exciting for me because their music is just hilarious and I've loved them since I was like 11, 12 years old. And I just happened to turn around and they were walking past and I was like, oh my gosh, can I get a picture? So that was pretty cool. And they've got a gig on tonight, which I did want to go and see, but we might be missing it because we've got to film collabs and other stuff, which is a shame, but I'm glad I just met them, so that was pretty cool. There's Hedy over there. We're here on the waters. You alright, Daisy?
Just really sit down.
Out in the boys' hotel room.
Let me get a pack of eggs.
Filming some collabs. So we've been filming some fun little videos and now all the girls are just retouching up their makeup before our final video that we're filming, which is probably going to be one of the best ones. Although the last one we did film was really, really good as well. We know we're not going to get into the party, so we've given up on that.
Not with that attitude.
So we're just going to have some drinks here and then probably go to the pub again, like last night. So yeah, we're ordering. Oh yeah, at Novotel, yeah. And we're ordering Mackies right now. So yeah, catch you later.
We're doing a lot. And then we walk past the camera.
Yes! The goods have arrived!
Oh, the digital groove.
I reached London.
We've just eaten some food. And now we're going to play some drinking games. And then going to film collab. Sláinte.
How brown cow?
Oh my god.
Chucky Arla. See, I always thought I could do a pretty decent Irish accent, but I was never sure.
And I was like,
I don't want to do it because you're just going to laugh at me. No, go on. No, come here.
Don't drink fizzy drinks at all anymore, apart from
That's just smack me in the back.
One more time.
it's so
Come here. It's alright. Hone. With an N. H-A-O-N. So hone. Kiss my arse.
Kiss my arse, you dare have to come.
Hi guys, it's me, Coral Francis, Becca's best friend here on the vlog takeover, just to tell you that Becca is the best human in the world. If you have never found a better friend, you need to subscribe to Becca. She is the best person in my life. I would never be without her, and she's my whole world, and she probably doesn't know I'm filming this, but I've never loved anyone more.
Hi Becca! It's me, Kim. A little bit tipsy. I just wanted to say thank you so much for letting me stay at your place. It means a lot, and I think we're going to be really close friends. We're both a little drunk right now, so I think we're going to bond even closer, and I hope this is the start of a really long, nice friendship. So, love you. This is my video.
Who is it? It's Becca.
Oh
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Stop it. I'm feeling all of them today.
Stop.
I love you so much.
Becca, I love you so much.
I just wish we saw each other way more often than we do.
I'm going to make it more of an effort this year to see you guys.
Especially now that I finished uni.
Sweaty and
I'm going to be able to party.
If anyone knows something about me, it's that I know how to party. Josh online is just showing us pictures of him with straight hair, so he's straight Josh online.
I don't like it.
Wait, I'll start like this.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it is.
Is this the Mamma Mia version?
Mamma Mia 2, Super Trooper.
No, the first one. That's shit.
Oh, what soz, mate? You said Mamma Mia Super Trooper.
The first one.
Trooper, lights like a... Oh, okay.
Wait, turn around on you.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We always do. Cause somewhere in the crowd there's you.
Wait, we'll just do a circle.
I'm just stood in the background.
I'll wait till the chorus, yeah. Oh, have you listened to it?
I was sick and tired of everything.
And it's the wiggle now.
When I called you last night from
Glasgow.
All I do is eat and sleep and sing.
Wish I never showed. Wish you never was the last.
It's like a game. Oh, it's this bit of it.
Oh yeah, so much to love, yeah.
Different when I'm on the stage tonight. And then it's tonight the Super Trooper.
Super Trooper, smiling, having fun, feeling like a number one. Like the Super Trooper, he's a kind of party Super Trooper.
Someone's gonna get so engaged.
Most likely Cole.
Somewhere in the crowd there's you.
It's so cute. Where is it?
What is this?
It's right there.
Who said where's it? It's like something wrong.
Oh no. Everyone's fine.
I got the best.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Coral. That's what you call catfish.
I'll try to spin round. I'll spin round.
That shot was